Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Flip app. So let's start. I will share to you some tips that you can do it for using Flip app. This app is only available in Canada and United States. So for that reason I share with you these tips. So the first step is download the Flip app. For iOS users, open App Store on your iPhone or iPad. You can find this app. In case that you have Android, you can open Play Store on your device. Then just looking for Flip app and download it. When you download it, you can sign up or log in if you have an account. You can create an account if you are a new user and sign up and fill the required details. If you have an account, well, already you can log in and enter your credentials. Then the step 3 is explore the app. You can find the home screen. Once you log in, you'll be taken to the home screen where you can see various product reviews and discussions. Number 2, browse products. Sweep through the feed to see different products reviews and tap on any product and interest that you learn more. Step 4, watch and share reviews. Tap on the product review to watch it. You can share your opinion. If you purchase the product, you can share your own review by tapping on the share button, recording a video, and tagging the product. Number 5, earn rewards. You can earn rewards, earn money by sharing reviews, inviting friends, and participating in live shows. Number 2, check earnings. Go to the earnings section to see how much you earn and transfer it to your bank account. Number 6, participate in discussions. You can join the groups and participate in discussions about various topics. Create your own topics and invite others to join the discussion. Step 7. Use additional features. User the immersive reader feature for a better reading experience. Participate in moderate discussions for a more controlled environment. And number 3, QR codes and stickers. Use QR codes and stickers to enhance your interactions. So guys, these tips you can use Flip app without any problem. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.